Me do it for the love, me not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, me not do it for the likes.
So hi guys, what's up? So we're finally at our new gym, Express Fitness out by I'm sure, and it's amazing out here. I don't know if we'll be able to show you the equipment today because there are a lot of people here, but I'm telling you, I feel the gains coming already. And I also want to show you my hair. I watched it earlier, so what I'm going to do a video on how I style my hair. I always get a lot of compliments on my hair, so I'm going to show you the products that I use and how exactly I style my hair. So that video will be out either before or after this one. Just look out for it.
What's up everybody? This is your boy, we're back. As we mentioned in the previous video that we're going to switch to the location for the Express Fitness, and that's where we are now. I am sure today is the opening day, and trust me, I'm like a kid in a toy store. It's like amazing, yo, all of the machine them just perfect. Can't wait to start, right? As Dee said, you know, it's kind of hectic now, so we're not sure if we're going to be able to show you guys all the different machine equipment and so forth, but we're going to try as best as possible to get in some, yeah? So that's what's up.
2, 3, let's go. Come on, 2, 3,
The last man standing. So once you stop, you just fall out.
Alright, really? Let's go. Shuffle, faster. Faster.
Yeah, the toes.
Shuffle faster, man. On the toes. Shuffle. Come, shuffle, ladies. Shuffle.
Squeeze.
Alright, last round.